Yo, what up, everyone? Welcome back to my channels. That is Rumble, YouTube, Twitch, and Kick. Alright, we're going to continue learning how to build a Bookbot in Python on or through Boot.Dev, the fucking platform, whatever. Um, Let me switch screens. Now, leaving off of my last video, what happened? Well, see, what happened was, um, I tried to open VS Code and my whole fucking PC crashed. My display froze and I had to hardware reboot it through pressing the button on the PC directly. And then since the stream got cut off and shit, it yeah, I have to continue off of it. And since it stopped streaming, I'm like, might as well use this time to make myself some burgers. So I ate and everything, chilled a little bit, hanged around with my puppy, my dog, and we're back. We gotta continue this. Also, I just opened up Gemini, Google Gemini, and what I asked it was, which text editor do I use to complete Boot.Dev building a bookbot in Python for Arch Linux KDE Plasma? And then, it told me I could use basically Kate. Um, since I have KDE Plasma, KDE Advanced Text Editor is highly recommended. It is native Qt application that matches your desktop theme perfectly. It is incredibly lightweight and comes packed with developer features. So I could do sudo pacman dash capital S Kate. If I don't have it, I already have Visual Studio Code. I believe on before the Bookbot one, the course previous learning at Linux on Boot.Dev, it had me like install Visual Studio Code. Um, so I already have Visual Studio Code, and I have Neovim. Neovim right here. I can't find Kate. Maybe I have to go back and like install it through here. Yeah, Kate. I probably have to install it. Advanced Text Editor, 136. Um, but before I do, cause I don't want to have to download or install too many things. So traditional. Wait, where was I? Alright, so those three, I could do Kate VS Code Neovim. I asked it, how do you make a readme.md file? Because that was, uh, I was taking a long ass time doing it through fucking Boots AI, and because it crashed and the web browser crashed as well. All the questions that I asked it got deleted basically. None of it got saved, and I can't continue off of what I was doing before. So this is why I did it through Google Gemini. Let's see. So it's saying how to create a file. You can create the file using terminal or directly inside your text editor. Via terminal, navigate to your project folder and run touch readme, and then I skipped all this and I quickly asked it, how do you create it from the terminal console? Because console is like when I hold Control Alt and T, Plasma Shell, crash handler. What the fuck? So something crashed. I'm hoping his OBS doesn't crash. Am I still good, you guys? I'm just 5 minutes in. It better not crash on me. Jesus. Yeah. Oh, okay, I'm still good. Since you have console open, you can create and immediately start an editing file using whichever editor fits your mood right now. So it says first, make sure you are in the project folder. You aren't. If you aren't already, change directory using the cd command. So I have to go back to that path. Path to your Bookbot folder. So let's use Control Alt T. Alright, and let's put this on the left, put that on the right, put this on the left. And then let's zoom in. I have to CD into CD's nuts. No, let's see. It's not there. Okay, so CD. First, let me ls, because I need to go into my projects folder. CD projects. Let me try to remember the whole thing. Projects forward slash Boot.Dev. Fuck, what was it? Let's just go here right now and then ls. Let's see what build Bookbot. Alright, so I'm a CD's nuts. I can't stop saying it. Oh, I put BUID Bookbot. Oh shit, I misspelled it. Let's see. Remove. Shit. How do you? Because I misspelled build Bookbot. Alright, I misspelled. Directory. How do I delete it and delete it, rename it? Now let me make sure, because I want to put on my oldies. Alright, mic is on so you guys could hear me. I'm going to turn on my oldies because it's too quiet for me. You guys can listen to whatever music you guys want. Fucking commercial. This is what I do all the time. Close the app, or close Pandora, or skip it. There we go. Alright. So move build Bookbot, rename it. To rename a file or folder in Linux, use the mv command. Move. It safely changes the name without touching any of the files inside. Move build Bookbot to this one. Okay. Option 2, delete it. If the folder is empty or you just want to get rid of it and start over, use remove command. Remove directory build Bookbot. If it has files inside it, you need the RF flags to tell Linux to delete it. Okay. I'm just gonna rename it. Move build to build. Okay. Alright. See, AI is useful. Alright, just control paste. Alright, now I'm gonna ls build Bookbot. Okay, so it worked. Alright, there we go. Oh shit, Blastoderm, are you back? Alright, woke koala, struggling to get seen on Kick. No, thank you. No bots, please. No bots. Kate is very good, especially KDE Desktop. I use Kate more to open single files. For projects, I tend to open VS Codium or Z. Remember to use tab to autocomplete after typing some letters. And you said you can open Dolphin to rename it. Oh, yeah. I'm trying to get used to the terminal and shit. I'm trying to get used to like the software programming side of things, and not entirely uh, being dependent on like the GUIs. Uh, because I kind of get how to do that shit because of Windows and Mac OS and shit. I just want to get used to the terminal and to like maneuvering or moving, how to manipulate it. Basically, use the terminal. I just, whatever's. Anyways, you weren't here for my intro and shit, but basically, as soon as I tried to open VS Code, man, my PC fucking froze on me. Display just froze. Everything got shut down, and yeah, had to reboot it manually by pressing the button on the PC to reboot it. Everything was good. Nothing was corrupted. Thank God. But I'm like, might as well take a break, go eat. So I ate some burgers and played around with my fluffy ass husky for a bit and gave her attention, sent her on her way, and now I'm back. Hopefully, it was heavy ass food, so I'm gonna get that food coma pretty soon. So I'm gonna try to make it through another hour on here. Um, you said actually stream auto open somehow. I wasn't paying attention. I installed VS Codium instead. No idea how stable VS Code is on Arch. Apparently, it. It might be because I'm freaking streaming. Let's see. Let me actually. System monitor here, so we can see the CPU. It's not really using that much memory. Only like 5 gigs of RAM. GPU is not being overworked. I have no idea why it crashed. It just had an issue for some reason. Yep. See, Firefox is not using that much. I should be good. So my let's see my process. Nope, history. Okay, so my CPU. Let's see. The 5700 XT, the Radeon RX 5700 XT, is the GPU. The CPU is the 3600X. 36 or 3700X, whatever. It's not top end stuff. It's all AMD stuff. Memory 32 gigs of RAM, so it should be good. But every now and then it just fucks up. It could also be because of my internet, like gets cut off. Even though I have the Ethernet cable connected, fucking Xfinity, whatever. Shit happens. Anyways, so I renamed Build Bookbot. Arch Linux is saying that I could work with NeoVim because I have NeoVim. Um, right, where is it? Where is it? Development NeoVim is installed. It's also one I could use. Kate, I have to freaking download it, but apparently, like, Google Gemini is saying that from my terminal, when I open the terminal, it's already open, right? Nope. Oh wait, it's right here. Duh. From here, I could open NeoVim, create the fucking thing, the readme.md file, and then like quickly use it. So how do I create it from the terminal console? I have NeoVim VS Code, and I think Kate installed. I found out, nope, I don't have it installed, but I'm not gonna waste my time right now doing that. Since you have console open, you can create immediately start editing file using whichever editor fits your mood right now. So NeoVim, I'm gonna try to use it. The fucking burgers are, it's coming. First, make sure you are in the project folder. You aren't already. Change directory using this command. So I need to cd into these nuts. Build Bookbot. BOT. Okay, so I'm in it. The fastest terminal way. If you want to stay strictly inside console without opening any new windows, use NeoVim. Running this command will create the file if it doesn't exist yet and open it directly in your terminal panel. So if I nvim nvim read shit readme dot md. Fuck, I keep pressing F. Alright. Quick NeoVim tip. Okay, so let's do that. Press I to enter the insert mode so you can start typing or paste markdown text. When you are done, press escape. Then type :WQ and then hit enter to save and quit. Alright, so let's enter and then let's go back to let's full screen this bitch. Alright, so I was saying create a file in the editor, copy this text into it, be sure it matches. Alright, so I gotta copy that. Create a file, do that, save the updated file, run and submit the CLI test from the root of your project. It says copy paste the submit command into your terminal. So submit Boot.Dev, run this. The submission is safe. Run the CLI commands to test your solution. Alright. So I'm gonna do this. Paste that. Clipboard, no what? Press enter or type command to continue. Alright. Let's go back here. Let's see. Okay. So let's see. Control, Shift, and V. Alright, there we go. Bookbot is my first Book.Dev HTTP. Okay, so now I gotta save. But I can't use, I have to use fucking the instructions right here for NeoVim. Just because I want to multitask and also practice NeoVim while I'm learning how to do Python slash a Bookbot project on Python slash different editors and shit you can play around with. Might as well do like a back and forth type of thing. Alright, so where am I? Okay, so NeoVim read. Okay, so now I gotta press I, enter. Then I got to. When you are done, press escape and then type WQ. Okay, so escape. And then I have to put colon. Where's colon? Or shift colon. WQ, right? WQ. Enter to save and quit. Okay, so then okay, so let's see, I'm gonna say I did paste. I use this in inserted given inserted stuff and then saved. saved and quitted is a word? No? Save and quit. Alright, just so that Gemini knows that what I'm doing. Awesome. You just simply navigated legendary NeoVim rite of passage. Modifying files and exiting without getting stuck is a genuine milestone. Now that you saved and quit, you are back in your standard console prompt. If you ever want to double check your work and view the contents of the read.md right inside the terminal without opening an editor again, you can use the cat command. Alright, so the cat read.me, that's what this shit was telling me too inside here, right? So I created the file, I saved it, run and submit the CLI test from your root. From the root of your project. Alright, copy and paste the submit command into your terminal. Alright. And if I press enter, it worked. Okay. So running cat readme expect exit code 0 command exit. So it read that I have this in it. All tasks passed. Return to your browser. All right, cool. We're getting shit done. I didn't even have to cat read.md. But if I want to check it myself, why did I put select all? All right. God damn it. So just readme dot dot md I forgot cat. So it's cat space. Okay. So that's how I'm supposed to do it, to check it myself. The top part over here that I Boot.Dev run. So this shit was just for dev shit, so I could get like my points and shit. That's cool. Gained plus 60 XP. You know, I'm always like fucking like on Twitch and Kick. Like the category it's technically a game, right? But you can't fucking find Boot.Dev or any of that shit on there. So I put on the science and technology category, and then for Kick they have a software and development like specifically for this shit, but Twitch doesn't, and YouTube Rumble it doesn't matter. So yeah, I don't know. All right, my bad for ignoring you, man. You said. Alright, no idea how stable VS Code is on Arch. Alright, from here. I also have Z. And of course Cape, which comes bundled on Garuda. I don't know how to handle those Vim editors, Neo or not. I remember you don't need to type the full name, use tab once you type some letters. Yeah, I keep forgetting. Plus the tab button it's placed like higher up on this. I'm not using a regular keyboard. Like I'm using this fucking keyboard. Hopefully I don't fucking lose the legs while I do this. Alright, so it's like a split keyboard. It's called the MoErgo Glove 80. So this is the right side. I'm using this split keyboard. Help me not get carpal tunnel or whatever. Fuck, the legs fell off. A fucking leg fell off. See that? I have it extended to the max. That way I could have the least amount of strain on my wrists. Goddamn U.S. Marine Corps, man. Fuck me up. I'm fucked up all over. Mental, physical, everything. You just join the military, you'll get fucked. Uncle Sam will. Anyways, you said Vim editors are complex to use. You're better off using a GUI editor. I know, but I'm forcing myself To do shit the hard way. On Linux, we can highlight a text and paste it via mouse middle click. A quick alternative for Control C, Control V. Yeah. It still works on editors. I had to fucking I think ChatGPT or Gemini told me like Control Shift and whatever you're gonna copy, you copy normally. Control C, right? And then in a text editor, you can't just Control V. You have to Control Shift and then V, and then it pastes it into the editor. Alright, I'm on the 4th lesson of chapter 1. Alright, installing Python. In previous courses, we've written our Python code in the browser. But now we're going to install Python on our local machine and use it just like you will. As a professional developer. Assignment. There are 2 versions of this lesson, one for WSL or Linux users and one for Mac OS users. Alright. If you're on Linux, you may already have Python installed. You can verify this by running Python 3 dash. Yeah. You say so. I'll take my king go. Hit the road, Jack. No, back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. Alright. Control Shift V. Alright, so I have Python 3.14. I got Pi.6. Alright. If that worked, you can skip ahead. If it didn't, okay, so I can skip ahead. Restart your shell to make sure it changes. Verify the installation. You should get back a valid Python 3 dot whatever version. Submit the CLI test. There's no penalty for failure. Alright, so copy and paste this, submit the command into the terminal. Alright. Boot.Dev run this shit -s. Okay. So the first chapter is just me setting shit up so I can do the Bookbot. Yep, it worked. I got the little green. Oh, you guys can't hear any of this shit. Oh, if I unmute, then you guys won't be able to. Well, you guys will be able to hear my oldies with me, but I'll get copyrighted. So, Alright, Chapter 2, Data Analysis. Running Python. Let's run some Python code. Assignment. Create a new file called main.py. You can use your editor's file explorer or just run the command touch main.py. I'm gonna touch the py. Giggity. Alright. Fuck it. I'm gonna allow you guys to listen to oldies with me. If you guys don't like oldies, then my bad. Alright, here we go. I might not need this anymore. Roll tonight. Oh shit, wrong lyrics. Alright, touch. I gotta touch it, touch it. Main.py. Alright. Create a new file called main.py. You can, okay, so I touched it. Open the file in your editor and paste in this line of code. Don't forget to save your code after you write it. Open the file in your editor. So, How do I open it? Alright, nvim. Nvim open or nvim fucking main.py. Okay, and then okay, so I'm in it. So now I have to press I, then I have to copy. Print greetings boots. Okay.
Luxury that's well within reach. Welcome
Go
home.
back
Find your
here.
certified pre-owned GLE at the Welcome Home
Control
celebration
Shift
going on
V. Then I have to press escape. Escape. Then I colon Q. No. Q. Was it QW? No. Q. E? Fuck! I need, I guess I do need Gemini. Come on, Gemini. What'd you say? What was the last thing you said? Ooh, what'd you say? Escape. Oh, WQ, not QW. Okay. Oh, I'm just close that. Alright, WQ, enter. Alright. Then I gotta run it. Run the program by Python. .3. Oh no, Python 3. Main.py. Greetings boots. Alright. If your code printed greetings boots to the console, pat yourself on the back. Alright. You got professional Python development environment up and running. Run and submit the CLI tests. Alright. Copy and paste one of the following commands in your terminal. Run. Control Shift V. Enter. Alright. So it worked, right? Expected exit code 0. Expected sound. Okay. So did it not work? Did it work? Control Shift V. Okay. You hear that little gling? Awesome. Okay. What is this? Accept the quest? No, thank you. Oh, notifications. Jade Shark League. You've joined the Jade Shark League. Top daily learners. You're in position 13 at 25. Fuck. I'm hella behind, ain't I? 631 only. Top league learners. 13. Global leaderboards. Top daily learners. I am... Damn. 3,969. Community. Damn. Not doing good. Not doing good at all. Forgot to check these as I went along. Alright. Let me read some new comments, man. You said, let's see, on the terminal we need to hold shift key in addition. Yep, that's why highlight plus the mouse middle click is faster. For decades Linux required Python to proper function. Install K and use it to open it, or use VS Code sudo pacman-sk. Okay, I'll do it for you, man. I'll do it for you, just to have all three. Although I could just, since you like the you like the GUI so much, I could just fucking Kate this bitch. Kate, I'll do it for you, man. Installing it. I'm doing it right now. I'm doing it right now. Don't worry. Look. I did it. I did it for you. Alright. Now we can move on. It is kind of convenient that NeoVim, I could open it through the same terminal and not have to open up a whole another application and move shit around. But, yeah. It's whatever. They all work. Now I have 3 editors that I could play around with. Book data. Okay. To be able to analyze a book, first we need to have a book to analyze. Alright. 2 seconds to install. Probably less. Frankenstein by Mary Shelley is in the public domain, so let's start with that. Excuse me, Jesus. Oh, that bird tastes good. Burgers, fucking delicious. Create a directory in your Bookbot project called Books, and a new books/Frankenstein.txt file. Alright? Be careful to copy the entire file or else you'll fail future assignments. Or run this from the project root, make directory, okay, books and curl all this shit. Run and submit. Okay, create a directory in your Bookbot project. Alright, so remove this. Also, I could the super button or whatever is basically the Windows button, but on this keyboard it says system. So I press that and then the left fucking arrow, and then it moves shit to the left or right. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Shortcuts. Alright, let's see, I'm in Build Bookbot. In your Bookbot project called Books. Okay. So in here, create books. So I basically gotta run this. Just open a browser and navigate to the book file here from the project Gutenberg. Copy and paste the entire contents of the page into your Frankenstein text file. So if I use this, will it work? I want to use the NeoVim. How do I start? From I am currently in let's see, my build. Shit. We get it almost every night. Build. Nope. There we go. All right. Jesus Christ, I hate when that happens. Alright, so it says, good choice. Since you're already in your Build Bookbot directory, opening NeoVim is straightforward. To get started, you have a couple of options. Open NeoVim with no file specified, then create files from within it. Alright. So let me Control L. Nope. Control L. Alright, start from the top. So N VIM. Alright. Then open directly to a specific file. NeoVim will create it if it doesn't exist. Alright. So I have to let me go to nvim. nvim main.py. Nope. Nope. Alright. Alright, so escape? No. I have to colon. Nope. Shit. So it is escape, right? Escape. Enter. Nope. Colon. QW. Nope. Colon WQ. Nope. It says no file name. Ooh, shit. Alright. What do I do? Escape.
Have a nice day. Thanks for shopping at IKEA.
That's quite the discount you gave me. I'm
WQ or
I'm
QW.
sorry, I think there might be a miscommunication.
This is why people have a hard time with the
but I'm a very busy woman, and
Ma'am, that discount wasn't just for you. So,
shh, don't make this harder on yourself, dear.
the IKEA ready
For this list specifically, you need to create a directory and text file. You can either do it from your terminal first using make directory in touch or a curl command mentioned in the assignment, then open the file in NeoVim to verify its contents, or use NeoVim's built-in file creation. Just run mvim books. Okay.
That's what you're into, because the right storage system for you should fit what you need it to. Right now, get up to 15% off select storage solutions that can handle
shit, how do I escape?
at them, on them, or in them at the Home Depot. How doers get more done.
Alright, looks like Gemini's gonna have to help me escape. Fuck. Shit. How do I escape? NeoVim. Escape, press it a couple times just to absolutely sure you're left in insert mode. Then the colon. This opens the command line bar at the very bottom left of your screen. You type your exit command. WQ, write and save changes. Q, oh okay, the Q exclamation will quit immediately and discard any unsaved changes. Colon X, quicker shortcut for WQ, saves only if changes were made, then quits. Hit enter. Pro tip, if your terminal seems totally frozen, you are stuck in the accidental split screen layout inside NeoVim. Holding control, pressing C will usually clear whatever half-finished command you are in, letting you hit escape. Alright. So, escape. Colon Q, exclamation point. Nope. Nope. Where's the exclamation point? Oh, fuck. Pressing the wrong fucking thing. Alright. So, let's go all the way up here. What I have to do is this first. Paste. Make directory. Do that first. Alright, that was quick. Alright, after that, I made the directory. Let me ls. Fuck. Click here. ls. So I got the books. Okay, let's go to cd books. And then ls. So I got Frankenstein dot. Okay, cat. Frankenstein. Dot tx. Damn it. T. Alright. So all this shit is a book. Right? The whole fucking book. Or whatever. Is it a short book? Is it the whole thing? I don't know what it is. Diary. Project Gutenberg, ebook, Frankenstein, or the modern Prometheus. Yeah, okay. Now, run and submit the CLI commands. Okay. So I think I didn't even have to do it through any of them. Full screen this bitch. Go to here. Go back to my terminal. Delete all this shit. Control Shift V. Enter. Nope. Boot.Dev run. Okay. Test failed. Expected status 0. Okay, this was a safe step. You haven't passed, but you also haven't lost armor. Okay. Alright, so I created it, I think. Open a browser, navigate. Okay. Run this from the project root. I use this on directly. Maybe I have to go back. Maybe that's where I fucked up on. Because I'm currently in books. Let me cd build Bookbot. Maybe I have to do it from here. Is that it? That's probably why, huh? Maybe it'll work this time. Yeah, that's haha. So I didn't even have to do anything in the of them. I just gotta remember. Make directory -p books & curl -l the fucking Earl. All this shit. /Frankenstein.text -o books /Frankenstein.text. Okay, moving on. All right. Comments time. Save. All right. You were thinking it takes a lot. No, I wasn't thinking it takes a long time. I just didn't want to do it because if you're already inside Bookbot folder, that curl will work. Make directory will create subfolder books, and curl will grab the book Frankenstein. Try to learn Vim and Python at the same time will get you stuck. Yeah, it will. Use an actual GUI text editor like KVS Code, Codium, For terminal editor, Nano is much easier than Vim. Oh yeah, Nano was a fucking shit that I installed the very first time installing Arch Linux using that tutorial. Uh, need to be in the root folder, not subfolder. Okay. So you were telling me the right answer, but I figured it out. You see that? You see that? All right. Read file. Let's start actually building Bookbot. Okay. Here are some things you'll need. Oh, is the my oldest getting annoying? All right. Width block. A width block can be used to open a file. I'm definitely getting copyrighted. Alright, width block can be used to open a file. Okay, width open path to file as F. Do something with file F here. Okay, the width block will automatically close the file when the block is excited. Cleaning up resources. Yeah, I'm gonna mute it. Alright. What was that? The width block will automatically close the file when the block is excited, cleaning up resources. .read parentheses method. You can use the read method to read the contents of the file into a string. Okay, f is a file object. File underslash contents equals f.read. Okay, so now delete your greetings boots message. Okay. So I'm gonna have to, let's do this. Let's use this. Alright, so let me clear this shit. Alright. Should I practice typing it? Open path. Shit. Path to file as F. Oh, wait. Know how to do. Okay, with block can be used. Is this what I have to do inside the editor? Delete your greetings message. Okay. Write a new function called getBookText. It takes a file path string as the input and returns the contents of the file as a string. Write a main function that uses get underslash book text with the relative. I don't know why. I just want to share this song. It's a mood, isn't it? It's such a vibe. Build Bookbot. Maybe I have to. ls. Okay, so nvim main.py. Okay, so okay. Okay, so delete your greetings boots message. Okay. Check. Write a new function called get underslash book underslash text of the parentheses okay. It takes a file path string as input and returns the contents of the file with string. Write a main function that uses getBookText with relative path to your Frankenstein.txt file to print the entire contents of the book to the console. Huh. So, do a function called get, okay. It takes a file path string as input and returns the contents of the file as a string. So this is just telling me what it does. Alright, so now that I have getBookText, it says write a main function, so I'm in main, that uses this with the relative path to your Frankenstein.txt print text file to print the entire contents of the book. So it has to read it. It uses getBookText with the relative book path. Wait, what was the relative book path? It was Frankenstein.txt.
You're in town, drop by the Hotel Pennsylvania. This is the Columbia Broadcasting System.
Alright, let me just remember what the path was. With block, automatically close the file when the block is exited. Cleaning up resources. Read method. You can use the read method to read the contents of a file. File contents equals f.read. Get book.text. Call main at the bottom of the file to execute your program.
When you worry, you make it double, don't worry.
So let's see, I'm gonna have to
Be happy, don't worry, be happy.
call main at the bottom. Let's do that first.
Be happy.
Is it a space and then main?
Don't worry, be happy.
Call main at the bottom of the file, execute your program, test your program. Python and main.py. Right, so get book.text and then the file directory. Fuck, what was it?
Ain't got no place to lay your head. Somebody came and took your bed. Don't worry. Be happy.
Spellbook.
The landlord say your
Lessons.
rent is late. He may have to litigate. Don't worry.
Using NeoVim.
Be happy.
What the fuck?
Look at me, I'm happy.
Oh, tips. The path to the file is a string, so it needs to be in quotes. Alright.
Be happy.
I give you my phone number. When you worry, call me. I make you happy.
How do you spell Frankenstein?
Don't worry. Be happy. Ain't got no cash, ain't got no style, ain't got no gal to make you
Franken
smile, but don't
has
worry.
no STEIN dot TXT.
When you worry, your face will frown, and that will bring everybody down. So don't worry. Be happy.
Alright, get book text. So it's let's see.
Don't worry. Be
Boots.
happy. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be Now there is this song I wrote. I hope you learned it note for note like good little children. Don't worry. Be happy. Listen to what I say. In your life, expect some trouble. When you worry, you make it double. Don't worry. Be happy. Be happy now. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy.
Oh wait, how do you capitalize the F, huh? For instance, no.
Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't do it. Be happy.
Do I input get /book /text Frankenstein dot text?
Don't worry. It will soon pass, whatever it is.
Alright, let's see. Your main.py file and your Frankenstein.txt file are located somewhere in your project contains complete directory or wherever you're building Bookbot. The relative path you pass to get book.txt depends on where Frankenstein.txt actually sits relative to main.py when the script runs. A few questions to help you figure this out. When you look at your project's file structure, is Frankenstein.txt in the same folder as main.py, or is it inside a subfolder like books? Okay, if it's in a subfolder, what the relative path, what would it look like? Hint, folder name, then a slash. So I go here, go /, books, / like that. Okay. Close, but there's a syntax issue here. Think about what a string needs in Python. Books / Frankenstein.txt mixes an unquoted piece, books, with a quoted piece. Python will try to interpret books as a variable name, so I have to put quotes on the outside. The whole thing. Like that. If your file lives inside the books folder, how would you write the entire path folder name / file name as a single string? Alright. So let me do this. Remove one quote. Put it right here, double quotes. Now the syntax is correct. Alright, so that's a single valid string representing a relative path. The remaining question is whether that path actually matches your real folder structure. A couple of things to verify. Is Frankenstein.txt actually sitting inside a folder named books?
Have a nice day. Thanks for shopping at
Okay.
IKEA.
Which
That's quite the
itself
discount
is
you
in
gave
the
me.
same directory
I'm
as
flattered,
main.py.
but this can't happen.
I'm sorry. I think there might be a miscommunication.
Or is
No,
it
no,
directly next
your
to
tools are loud
main.py
and
with
clear,
no
but I'm a
subfolder
very
at
busy
all?
woman.
Have you double checked the exact
that
file
discount
name and
wasn't just
folder
for you,
name
so.
for typos or key
Don't make this harder
sensitivity?
on yourself, dear.
If you're not sure, look
Ready
at
for
your
college?
project file
Save on
folder
College Essentials
explorer
plus 15%
sidebar
off for IKEA
to
family
confirm
Verified suits.
exactly
Shop
where
now, in-store or online.
Frankenstein.txt lives relative to
The
main.py.
Mercedes-Benz certified
Then
pre-owned
make
GLE.
sure your path string matches that exactly. Once the path is right, okay. So I'll do what you've been telling me to do this whole time and go to my file folders over here. Alright, so projects were where's my home folder? Here. Projects, where are you? It's right here. So Boot.Dev, build Bookbot, books. Alright. Frankenstein, okay, so it's there. Main.py is on outside. Okay. So I should be good. Okay. Then let's try escape and then save with QW or it's WQ. Alright. Then I gotta run Python 3 main.py. Okay, so file name, home, teleco project, Boot.Dev, build box, main tile, line 3, main, indentation error, next, okay, so, the indentation, alright, so, okay, so I have to go, okay, like that. Go to, nope, go to escape, colon, no, it's QW, no, fuck, I keep fucking that up. Alright, so WQ, and then let's do it again. Alright, alright, so I think that worked. I pressed tab instead. What the fuck? Alright. Q and an exclamation point. Alright, so now see if it prints the book's contents without errors. So let's see. I did this. Paste this and then main. You're combining two separate things into one line. Which I didn't do on that. I just can't press enter, like put it underneath it. There's a function call that returns the book text on the string on its own. It doesn't print anything or do anything with them. Main is a separate function call that should be at the bottom of your file to kick off your program. Think about the assignment steps again. Alright, get the file path, it returns the contents. It should call the get book text internally using the path and then print the result. Only main should be called at the bottom of the file to run everything. If you're getting inside your main function, how would you capture the string returned by getBook text into a variable? Once you have that variable, what function do you use to display it to the console? Where does the call to getBook textbooks from that text belong? Inside main or at the bottom of the line? Alright. inside your main function. How would you capture the string returned by getPick? Okay. Write a main function that uses the getPick with relative path to your Frankenstein.txt file to print the entire contents of. Okay. Read. It reads the contents of the file into a string. Alright, okay, file contents equals f.read. Okay. If I put Python 3 main.py and it just opens up Python 3 main.py, I'm not sure if it prints anything out. Okay, let's try it. Trace back. Most of the recent code. Okay, get book, textbook. Okay, line 1 in module. Get _book _text. Name. Okay, get book text is not defined. Write a new function called get _book. Okay, let's see. Colon, what is this supposed to do? Okay. So let's see, Control Shift V, but instead of file _ contents, oh wait, f.read, and then you can use the read method to read the contents of a file into a string. Okay. f.read. Read and then size. Optional. Reads at most size bytes from the. Okay. So I could just. Or instead of file contents, do I put get book text? I'm seeing you message me on. I'm trying to figure this out before I actually look at your comments and shit. Text equals f.read. Like that? Hmm. No clipboard. Alright.
It starts with one step, one stretch, one more rep. At InShape, every workout makes you stronger inside and out. Let's swim, stretch, push, and flex. Because moving
Do
more
I
means living
put?
more. Stop by a club today or join online at InShape.com.
Let's see.
This is the
Get
story of the one. As a maintenance engineer at a beverage manufacturer, he
/
starts his day knowing every
book
line is ready to run.
/
Because Grainger delivers the
text
industrial grade products he needs to keep mixers, conveyors, and
equal
packaging equipment
to
moving. With
fuck
Grainger's vast selection of bearings, belts, and motors, he keeps operations running
equal
smoothly.
to
So
fucking
nothing
F
grinds
dot
to a
read.
halt. Call 1-800-GRAINGER, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
After. Oh, that's a good song. Alright, it says let's slow down and okay. Let's slow down and separate two different things that seem to be getting mixed up together. Get book _ text. This is the name of the function you define like. Alright, define this path. Inside the function is where f.read belongs. Part of the function in internal logic, not something you write inside it. Get _ boot text book text. This is calling the function which triggers the code inside and return. Okay. So get _ boot _ text equals f dot. It doesn't make sense here because you're trying to assign a value to the function name. Okay. Let's think about the structure you need. Alright, so I got this and the path with open path as F. What goes in here? Okay. Def main. How do you call get book text here and store it? What do you do with that result to display it? Alright, so have to. Okay. So with open. And then the path. I have to put the path again. Alright, so I got a diff. Alright. With open this as F. What goes in here to get the function text out? Okay, so this is the read shit. With open path file as F, do something with the file here. I think I have to put that there. File / contents. I think I'm fucking up, ain't I? Alright, I'm gonna read your comments. Alright. You need to be in the root folder, not the subfolder books. That's Python, not bash terminal command. I believe you forgot to define a function in Python. It requires keyword def. This assignment will require you to learn what you learned and even more. The biggest hurdle with NewVim is that it's not so practical to use copy paste between the browser and Vim. Yeah, I'm learning that shit right now. Besides Vim, hard to remember keyboard shortcuts. Although you've checked, you have defined the function, you haven't. You're attempting to invoke a function you hadn't defined yet. The AI won't be able to help you if it's not aware you didn't even define the function you're attempting to invoke. The more I can just imagine you screaming at me like, "Hi!" Okay, the more you postpone reading my chats, the longer you'll be lost. Even with the AI, you haven't accomplished part 2 of the assignment. Define the function. Vibe learning has its limits. After 20 minutes, the AI figured out you hadn't defined the function. Okay. My bad. Alright. So, this is Python. This is within Python. That I'm not supposed to be doing it within Python. Alright, so let's see. Okay, write a new function. Okay. Let's go back. Alright. Alright, so I deleted. The message. Do I define get / books / text within Python fucking no main .py. Alright, so yes, exactly. Both getBook text and main should live in your main.py file. Here's the general shape you're aiming for, not the actual solution, just the skeleton concept. Alright, so define this. Okay. Open the file, read it, and return the contents. But if I do this, file contents. File / contents equals f.read. So do I return file contents? Alright. Open file, read it, return the contents. Do I do something like do I do something like return fucking file contents? Something like that. Function parameter path is what receives the path for the Frankenstein book. The function's parameter. Okay, so I don't have to put with open.
Have a nice day. Thanks for shopping at IKEA.
That's quite the discount you gave me. I'm flattered, but this can't happen.
I'm sorry. I think there might be a miscommunication.
No, your signals are loud and clear, but I'm a
Call
very busy
get
woman,
book.text
and
with the right path.
That
Print
discount
the
wasn't
result.
just for you. So,
don't make this harder on
Shit,
yourself.
man, I forgot everything we did in that Python course. Get book.text path. Open the file.
Your day doesn't wait, doesn't adjust, doesn't make it easy. But the Mercedes-Benz certified pre-owned GLE does. Rigorously inspected with a factory-backed unlimited mileage warranty. Luxury that's well within reach, so you can focus on what's waiting for you.
So at the
Welcome
main, you
home.
call get
Find your
book.text.
certified pre-owned GLE at the Welcome Home
And the pass
celebration
relative
going on
path
now.
to Frankenstein, then print whatever comes back. You need to remember what you learned on the Python. Yeah, I know. Oh, fuck. Fixing syntax errors, understanding stack. Let's put read. I don't remember shit. Open file. Open file. Yeah, I don't remember how to do shit, man. The data analysis one haven't done yet. Yep, I don't remember how to do shit. Fuck. First, we define a function and its parameters. Later, we invoke the function passing the argument to the function's parameter. Okay, alright, so I'm not getting what you're saying. So get / book / text. Do I remove books Frankenstein dot text and then keep it here? What do I put here for the parameters? With open. Maybe I do delete this and then keep this here as file contents equals fread. Yeah, I don't remember how to do shit. Yep. I don't know Python as much as you, man. I'm not remembering shit from the fundamentals. No, I'm not remembering. I'm not remembering shit, man. Alright, so def get book path. The path. Alright, open the file with this lesson shows you this pattern with open path to file. Okay. So do I do that? Inside that with block, you call read on app to get the content as a string. Step 3, return it. Now the question is, where should the return statement go? Is that it? Return file contents. Inside the with block, indented at the same level as file contents. If you put it on the outside with the with block, okay. Okay, so I think that's how I'm supposed to do it. Call getBook text with the right path, print the result. define main, and then a main at the bottom still. Call the get book text with the right path. Okay, so just fuck. Get book, get underslash book underslash tex. Alright, so get with the from books / Frankenstein .txt. Alright. With the right path, and then print the results. Oh wait. Can't I put print right here? Can't I do something like that? Print get book text and this.
This is the story of the one who keeps multiple buildings running smoothly day after day.
You should be asking the AI about how to define a function and its parameters and the difference between defining and invoking a function. That's what you forgot. Okay.
Support, Grainger helps her keep the products she needs on hand, so shelves stay stocked and buildings stay ready. Call 1-800-GRAINGER, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
Alright.
Choose to lean into it. Every Mazda is engineered to give you effortless control.
I wake up. Don't know much about history. Don't know much
That's what I get.
Don't know much about
Because there's a clipboard shit don't work, huh? Clipboard, no provider. Try check health or. Alright. Colon H clipboard. Clipboard integration. NeoVim has no direct connection to the system clipboard. Instead, it depends on a provider which transparently uses shell commands to communicate with the system clipboard or another clipboard backend. Set clipboard plus equal to unnamed plus. See clipboard for details. Alright. The plus. PB copy. PB paste. PB copy, PB paste on macOS, WL dash copy. WL dash copy.
Love is a burning thing,
right?
and it makes a fiery ring.
Okay.
Bound by wild desire,
Set clipboard plus equals name plus.
I
See
fell
clipboard
into
with
a
details
ring of
and
fire.
options.
I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, down, down.
Yeah, I'm never
and
gonna
the
figure this
flames
shit
went
out.
higher, and it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire, the ring of fire. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and
Alright.
the flames went higher, and it
Paste.
burns, burns, burns. The
Provider,
ring of fire,
paste, Control
the
Shift
ring
V.
of fire. The taste of love is sweet when hearts like ours meet. I fell for you like a child. Oh, but the fire went wild. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire, the ring of fire.
Alright, it's gonna be difficult for me to figure all this shit out. Yep, you were right.
I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire, the ring of fire. And it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire, the ring of fire, the ring of fire, the ring of fire.
Rockopolis is the city where rock never sleeps.
This is Angus Young of AC/DC.
David Gilmour of Pink Floyd.
Hi, this is John Bon Jovi.
Rockopolis is pure classic rock.
This is Keith Richards.
Hi, this is Robert Plant.
Pandora's premier destination for the greatest rock songs ever recorded.
Hey, this is Joan from Def Leppard, and this is Rockopolis.
Tap now to listen.
Copying text out of Naval external window. Prerequisite: install a clipboard provider. NeoVim needs a lightweight utility to talk to KDE, Plasma, Clipboard Manager, Clipper on modern Arch systems using Wayland. Installing WL Clipboard or Xclip fixes this instantly. Open a new console tab or exit NeoVim and run this. So I have to fucking set it up for that. Okay. Fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck my life. Alright. Let me go back to... Alright, let me copy this shit over here. Find Gitbook text. Have it like that. Here I have with open. Books. /Frankenstein. Oh wait, I have yeah, I'll put return here, then I'll with open. I already have that shit.
This is Mary at the Department of Rejected Dreams. If you had a dream rejected, IKEA can make it possible.
Hey, I dreamed I'd be ready for college way ahead of time.
And now you're way
Then
behind?
Yes, and I have no idea how I'll get it all done on time and in my budget.
Well, luckily,
Actually,
IKEA
right
has everything you need to
here
make
I
it your
have
space on your budget. And with
print.
everything ready to take away from our stores with click and collect, it's easier than ever.
That's convenient.
Exactly. Get IKEA whenever, wherever, however at IKEA.us. IKEA, dream the possibilities.
I'm Hannah. I've lost 75 pounds in 20 months with GLP-1s, plus diet and exercise. On Row, I've gone from struggling to run a mile to running farther every day. You can access FDA-approved GLP-1s online. Get the support you need to reach your weight loss goals. Go to row.co/join to see if you qualify. I'm a paid Row partner. 20% average weight loss in 1 year in non-diabetics with obesity or overweight with a weight-related medical condition versus 3.1% in placebo arm. RX only. To stay informed about serious side effects, go to row.co/safety.
EXT. Print get /book.text. Good progress. There are a few issues here. Let's go on. Let's go one at a time. Indentation inside get book, obviously. With open books, Frankenstein read. Okay. Alright, can close this shit over here. Alright, definition get book with open books focus on as F. Line 1, read the file. Line 2, return it. Same indentation as the width. Alright. Oh no, wait, it is the file contents. Think about the last question from before. Should return be indented? Okay, yeah. Get book.Dev text doesn't accept the path. Your function definition is definition get book text, but then in the main you call it like this: print get book. Alright, you're passing a path string, but the function isn't set up to receive it. What does getBookText need in its parentheses so it can accept that argument? You're passing in a path string, so print f string. Oh, books, book, book. Oh, keep the codes. Okay. The issue isn't the quotes, is that your function definition doesn't have a parameter to catch the string when it arrives. Right now you have definition get book text. Oh, right here? This says get book text takes no inputs, but you're calling it with one input. Python will complain because okay. What do you need to add inside those parentheses in the definition line so the function has a name to refer to that incoming path string? File contents? I don't think I'm on the right track. But do I do that? Close, but think of it. Nope. You're passing in a path string, not the contents of the file. The contents don't exist yet at that point, so you haven't read the file. The primary name should describe what's coming in. a path, not what you're eventually produce inside the function contents. Compare definition get book text path with open path as f.
The sweet little girl that lives down the street. Some people think she's square, but I think she's sweet. You can see her every day scrolling up and down the way, looking so pretty, and this is what I say. She's got it.
Wait,
Baby,
okay.
she's got it. Woo, baby, she's got it. I can't do without her. Baby, blue eyes, long black hair, pimple cheeks and cheese, no square. She's got it. Oh, baby, she's got it. Ooh, baby, she's got it. I can't do without her.
So do I do this? Let's see.
Walk down the streets, all the cat flips. She's got it. Oh, baby, she's got it. Oh, baby, she's got it. I can't do without her. Love to sing, hot one queen. She's real gone in everything. She's got it. Oh, baby, she's got it. Oh, baby, she's got it. I can't do without her.
So, like I had it before? Different get book text. It's almost there conceptually, but there's a mix-up between the function definition and function call.
Love to sing, hot white queen. She's real gone in everything. She's got it. Oh, baby, she's got it. Oh, baby, she's got it. I can't do without her. When the music's hot, loves to bop. She dances to the
Alright, so the path. Here, path is just a name. When you later call getBook text books Frankenstein.text, Python automatically assigns path equal to. So if I put path here, how does that work? Python automatically assigns path equal to book Frankenstein.text for you, and then open path becomes open books Frankenstein.text behind the scenes. Try rewriting your definition line using a plain variable name instead of a quoted string, and make sure that same variable name is used inside open.
Go to row.co/Pandora. Half of covered patients have a $50 copay plus for medication, plus $145 monthly row membership fee. Deductible cost may apply, and final cost varies by insurance plan. For safety information about GLP-1 medications, including boxed warning, go to row.co/safety. RX only.
Like that.
This is a road trip. Oh, I haven't even had my coffee yet.
Oh, that could work for me.
It is not working for you.
Does this make it weird?
Very.
Tunes in your
So
ear,
let's see,
friends by your side, palm-lined streets under the San
where
Jacinto
did I
Wall,
input?
Joshua
I
trees, and
inputted
starry
this
desert
right
skies.
here.
You'll find Super 8 by Wyndham along the way,
Copy.
where you can rest up, recharge, and get back on the road to keep earning points with Wyndham Rewards. Book now at wyndhamhotels.com.
So right here I put path with open. No. Get book text. I need to review everything. Falcon. Nah, I don't know what I'm fucking doing. Alright, in order to be on the right track, ask AI what you forgot, how to define the function in Python, and what's the difference between defining a function and invoking it, a relationship between functions, parameters, and past arguments when invoking it. Delete this path. It says getting closer. Bullshit. Now everything is the same indentation level for a squish. Can't tell. Alright, so like that. File contents F read, return file contents. Also just okay, also just like before, file contents and return file contents need to be on separate lines. Okay. Okay, so that was it right there. Escape. WQ. If this isn't it, then that was it? The whole fucking time? That was it? Jesus fucking Christ. I hate it when I'm overthinking shit. Jesus Christ. Okay. Alright, so just any fucking thing in between the parentheses and use it again right here. That's the only fucking, well, not the only fucking thing, but one of the only fucking things that I had to do. Okay, so define get book, whatever variable name with open path as f. Okay, file / contents equals f dash read parentheses return file contents. Then in definition main print goes back to call get book text, and then this is the only place I'm supposed to have the fucking the directory fucking path. Let me try it out. Let's see. How do I fucking exit? I need to fucking take a break. I'm losing my mind. Q exclamation point. Alright.
What's right is right, but you ain't been right yet. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do.
Running Python. Command execute 0. Command standard. Running head TMP. No, that's not it, is it? Oh, it is it. Oh, fuck.
walk all over you. Are you ready, Boots? Start walking.
Alright, where do we leave off? But you did the Python basic course. Yeah, I haven't done it in a fucking long while too. In order to be in the right track, okay. Path is only parameter of the function. When you invoke it, you pass a string argument which will initialize the path parameter. Function parameters are just like local variables. The difference is that the parameter is initialized but the arguments passed when invoking it. I don't have the basics memorized at all. Fuck. That's why I'm like this shit's pissed me off. Not this, it's just fucking going to school, fucking college, having to do all those fucking unrelated fucking classes, and then I forget shit. And then I take a class that's different from what I just learned, and then I forget most of the shit. I just gotta keep on fucking practicing. Goddamn, that's stressful. Alright. Count words. Fuck, I need to take a break. How long I've been? 2 hours? Jesus fuck, I've been wasting everyone's time. Well, yep. Alright, count words is gonna be the next thing I do. Let's see, setup, data analysis, I'm only halfway through it. Then I gotta do the report. I did the learn to code in Python, yeah, but I did that shit fucking, when was it? Let me look it up. Go to my YouTube channel. You son of a bitch. Let me turn this off too. Alright. Where's it? Right here. Alright. Alright, let's see. Learning Python on Boot.Dev. What was the last one? On the Python, episode 21. What was this? 2 months ago. Yeah, 2 months ago. Sounds about right. I gotta look through this whole fucking thing again. And then Learn Linux. What was the last fucking episode I did before this? For Learn Linux. Yeah, 2 months ago. So a whole 2 months ago. Yeah, cause I had to do fucking math classes and stupid English fucking another English class after whatever. Fucking hate college, man. I just wanted to like focus on the computer science shit, computer engineering shit. That way I could fucking continue to remember it, but no. And then general education that I had to do in community college, which was a bunch of bullshit. Fucking hate school. What? Whatever's. At least I'm doing it. I'm not gonna quit. I'm just pissed off at myself. Thanks for the help, man. Well, he said even exiting NeoVim takes 10 minutes. 10 minutes to copy paste on NeoVim. Yeah, I gotta set up the fucking thing so I'm able to use the copy paste. So I gotta fucking set that shit up. I'm not gonna do it right now. I need to take a break. I need to chill. I'm gonna watch some anime and fucking chill on the couch for a bit with my fucking dog, my fluffy bitch over there. Yeah, probably take her out on the walk. Yep. Alright. Yeah, thanks for the help, man. My bad for ruining the mood. Alright, I'm gonna exit. All this shit. I gotta force myself to do it. Yep, I gotta force myself to do it. There's no other way to learn it other than fucking doing it. And then damn, I have to get as far as I can before my fucking subscription is over, and then I'm trying to learn game dev, so that's the fucking thing. I've been watching fucking YouTube videos on GD script and that stuff, and I have to actually start on the fucking tutorials. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, follow YouTube, Rumble, Twitch, and Kick. I'll see you guys later on today after I drink some coffee or take a nap or both. Probably both. I'll see you later. Thanks, Blasto Durham, for helping me out. And I'll see you guys next time.